It is common for the immune system to weaken while you are pregnant. In pregnancy, immune system is naturally suppressed to accommodate the growing baby, and an attack by any other virus or a disease or a cold and flu is potentially a bad combination. To boost mother's immunity naturally and keep unborn baby safe, some basic steps are highly recommended. Although cold and flu viruses can certainly make you uncomfortable, they aren't likely to cause miscarriage. Having a fever during pregnancy, a temperature that's higher than 100 degrees Fahrenheit, is linked with an increased miscarriage risk. Add probiotics to your diet through supplementation and through natural food sources, including yogurt, kefir, and kimchi. If you choose a probiotic supplement, ask your healthcare provider about which strains and amounts are right for you to support your immunity during pregnancy. Staying hydrated is necessary as body functions at an optimal level. One must aim for about 8 to 10 glasses of water a day to support your immune system. During pregnancy, intake of vitamin C, iron, zinc and folic acid are of utmost importance in these days. Though it is safe to take some supplements from all the mentioned requirements, it is recommended to get a daily intake of these through a variety of foods like strawberries, bell peppers, spinach, amla, honey, garlic, orange juice and other fruits as opposed to taken as an external supplement. During pregnancy, vitamin C and vitamin B6 can boost your immunity by increasing the body's natural production of interferon. Zinc along with selenium, iron, copper, vitamin A, C, E and B6 and folic acid are all very important when it comes to optimal immune system functioning during pregnancy. The gut contains 60% of the body's entire immune system, so keeping it healthy is important when it comes to preventing sickness. Getting enough vitamin A is important to support the cells that line the walls of the intestinal tract, and fatty acids such as those found in cold water fish and olive oil helps to promote healthy gastrointestinal cells membranes as well. Minimum of 30 minutes of physical activity most days is a must. It is strongly believed that exercise helps to boost immunity by releasing antibodies and white blood cells quickly into the bloodstream when one exercises. Exercise during pregnancy is a natural stress reliever which decreases our chance of developing an illness. Basic precautions like washing your hands, not sharing glasses or utensils, and staying away from sick individuals will reduce the risk of coming down with an illness. There are some natural remedies to reduce congestion. Place a humidifier in your room, keep your head elevated on your pillow while resting, or use nasal strips. Elevate your sore throat, suck as eye chips, drink warm tea or garlic with warm salt water. During pregnancy, ensure that your sleep timings are fixed and long enough for your immunity system to stay healthy. Try your best to say no to junk and fatty foods and a bit yes to salads, fresh fruit juices and curd for best immunity and digestive system. If you do get sick during pregnancy, schedule an appointment with your doctor to ensure the health of you and your baby. If you like this video, share this video to friends and family members and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.